beautiful as ever. But what do you think has changed in Megan since becoming a mom?
I think when it comes to being responsible for other people, mas nadagdagan yun. Kasi before, lagi ko iniisip, me, or parang Mikael, ano ba yung kailangan namin as a couple. But I think my awareness, not just for Leon, our baby, but for all the other people around me has become mas hyper-aware na ako doon. Maybe because during the time nung buntis ako, a lot of people were taking care of me and I really took notice of that and I'm very grateful na sobrang daming tumulong at nag-alaga sa akin noong time na yun. So, gusto kong ibalik yun sa mga tao na nakapaligid sa akin, most especially now. Kasi ang laking tulong nila sa akin na maging healthy, na maging masaya ako during the times na nanihirapan talaga ako sa pagbubuntis ko. And even after yung postpartum, I just want to be able to make sure na I take care even more of the people around me.
So, I mean, I think back in June, there was a video that you guys put up your, I think when you just given birth, and yung tears of joy naman.
Yes.
Diba? Some moms, diba, especially since it's the first, nagkakaroon din ng postpartum depression because it really is a difficult time, diba, to adjust. Was there any like, may konting lows din ba, during the first few days because it was such an adjustment that you had to make?
I would say during the first 2 months siguro, naramdaman ko yung intense sadness. Intense sadness, intense emotions, intense happiness. So lahat extreme eh. So hindi ko napipigilan na parang intensely maging masaya ako. So sobrang saya ko, naiiyak talaga ako. Or hindi naman ako pikon talaga, pero may mga times na, di ba alam niyo naman si Mikael, sobrang maloko siya, ma-joke siya. Minsan nag-joke siya, pumitik ako sa kanya, sabi ko, di mo ba alam ganyan. Tapos parang after ko masabi ko, sorry kasi hindi ko talaga napipigilan yung emotions ko. So thankfully, tinulungan niya ako dun sa pag-process ng lahat ng emotions na yon. Whether extreme happiness, extreme sadness, or extreme anger during those times. So feeling ko, kaya hanggang mga 2 months lang yung ganong extreme emotions ko. Because he really helped me process everything I was going through.
And like you said, just to second to your endorsement, I know it helps, diba, when you are at that stage when everything is new and when you have to take care not just of yourself, but obviously of a little person, that you have all the right things that you will help you, even yung sabi mo nga, the mental pull-ups.
Yeah, kasi kailangan,
parang hindi mo naiisipin.
Oo, parang you need things na ang makakapagpadali sa buhay mo para at least makapunta ka na sa anak mo, maalagaan mo na siya agad. Totoo pala yun na parang sometimes you tend to forget yourself para alagaan mo yung baby mo. But thankfully, there are products and newer products that are coming out na parang mom-focused or parang gearing towards moms nowadays.
Because there are always the, two special people when it happens, right? So you give birth the baby and sabi nga nila, birthdays din daw is the celebration of the mom.
Of course.
Because, so, we celebrate you and we celebrate the coming of your new baby. And congratulations. We look forward. I'm sure they're gonna ask when we'll see you again, in shows, but I'll leave that question to them. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you so much.
Birthday niya kaya